Hey, if you don't break anything or spill some oil on the floor, you're just not doing it right. Glad to have you back. Little update what's going on here in the garage. There's the Art Cat right there. Been using it a lot. Not so much ATVing, but I do have an ATV in the garage here. My buddy's 1999 Honda 300. He bought brand new when he was a young lad, and he's had it ever since. And she's got some problems, but nothing we can't handle. Well, I told him, you need to put some big tires on this baby in the gear reduction and woo, have at her. Probably fine. Nice. Oh, how do you like me now? Whoa. What is happening? And yeah, you didn't really think that was fun, but I did. So yeah, look at this. Look at the brakes. See the grooves in the shoes? Yeah, these ones, they're like brand new, but they're all seized. Everything's seized in here. Look at it. That's not good. We're gonna go to this side. Look at, there's metal part of the shoes, but there's nothing on the shoes, just metal. So this side was working at one point, and yeah, pretty much this side was doing all the work, I think. So, look at that wheel cylinder. That's a lot of weird stuff going on there. So she's gonna need some work. That's for sure. It's gonna need a muffler. Well, actually, it's all one piece exhaust. Try to get that baby off there. See how that goes. That'll be interesting. Carburetor kit, stuff like that. Clean the air filter. New spark plug, wheel bearings probably, yeah, definitely a wheel bearing back here. She's loose as a goose, but we'll get her running. We'll get her back in ship shape. We're going to be doing a disc brake conversion. Parts available at powermods.com. Give those guys a look. So we got this here Honda front disc brake kit, Super ATV. Cool. That's gonna be good. Got a new axle in here, and we got some wheel bearings, tie rod ends, stuff like that. Ooh, just remember I gotta order a ball joint. Talk about a ball joint from hell. But man, had to get savage. Broke some pieces off, so I even had room to work. Oh yeah, something's gotta give. Either this or my vise. We're getting savage on this ball joint, I'll tell you that right now. Something's gotta give. But find out. Oh, parts are gonna fly. Come on, you son of a gun. Oh yeah. Yeah. Take that. Yeah. That's right. Good times as always in the shop. Here's the best part of what I wanted to tell you guys. That's the muffler. She's kind of beat. So we got a new one. And it's the best part. So look in here. Look. So you see the hole there? That's the exhaust port. And those two broken studs? Yeah. Well, at least my buddy broke the first one off. I'll let him do it. What are you gonna do? Lo and behold, this MBRP exhaust is slip-on. You cut it off before the old muffler, and you slipped a new one on. So as it turns out, we didn't have to take this thing off. Right on. Oh, it's so close. Friggin' right. Don't panic, he's a mechanic.
Here's a reminder, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for?